As a parent, the best insurance that you can get for your child is a 20-pay whole life policy that has a guaranteed insurability rider and a waiver of premium rider for disability on the policy. What this is going to do is insure your child for the rest of their life, even though you're only going to make payments for 20 years. So let's say you have a 2-year-old baby. You're going to buy this when they're 2. You're going to make payments until they're 22. At age 22, you have no more payments to make, but they are insured for life. The waiver of premium for disability rider is going to be, as you being the owner of the policy, if at any point you become disabled and you're unable to make payments on the policy is still going to be in effect, even though you're not able to make payments. That's what happens when you add that rider. And the guaranteed insurability rider is going to mean that at certain ages, you're going to be able to raise the amount of the benefit for your child without them ever having to go under any testing or underwriting. So this is an awesome policy. A lot of people don't think about it. They get insurance on themselves because they're like, if something happens to me, I want to make sure that my child is taken care of financially, which is amazing. But no one ever thinks about, heaven forbid, what would happen if something happened to their child? What's going to happen? Do you have enough money for burial? Do you have enough for yourself? You know what I mean? And then also, because you're going to be out of work for a little while. I've never seen anyone, lose a child and just go back to work the next day. But unfortunately, the bills are not going to stop. So you're going to still need finances, even though you're not actively working. This is where this policy comes in. Also, a policy like this has cash value. So it's something where you'll actually be able to pull from the policy at certain points. So it's definitely something to think about. If you have any questions or need any extra information on this policy, just comment below and I will do my best to get to all the comments.